Join us as we challenge ourselves to explore the top travel destinations for over 50s before you hit 60. As we age, our priorities and perspectives on travel often change, but that doesn't mean we should stop exploring. In fact, traveling after 50 can be incredibly rewarding, offering a chance to reflect on life, recharge, and rediscover the world with a new sense of wonder. Many people over 50 feel like their travel days are behind them, citing physical limitations or a lack of adventure as reasons to stay close to home. We think that's a misconception. Just because we're getting older doesn't mean we can't still have amazing experiences. With a little planning and creativity, anyone can continue to explore and enjoy new destinations. Another misconception is that travel has to be grueling or exhausting. We disagree. There are countless ways to experience the world without overexerting yourself. From relaxing beach getaways to leisurely city tours, there are plenty of options for travelers who want to take it easy. And let's not forget about the wealth of knowledge and experience that comes with age. We can appreciate destinations in a way that we couldn't when we were younger. Some people also worry that they're too old to learn new things or adapt to new cultures. We think that's a myth. Traveling after 50 can be a great opportunity to challenge yourself and learn new skills. Whether it's trying new foods, learning a few key phrases in a foreign language, or navigating unfamiliar places, there's always something new to discover. As we get older, our travel style may change, but that doesn't mean we can't still have incredible experiences. So, where should you go? Let's take a look at some top destinations that are perfect for travelers over 50. From the scenic coast of Portugal to the vibrant cities of Australia, there are countless places that offer a mix of culture, history, and natural beauty. The Portuguese city of Porto, for example, is famous for its stunning architecture, rich history, and delicious port wine. Australia's Gold Coast, on the other hand, offers a more laid-back experience with beautiful beaches, theme parks, and a lively food scene. New Zealand is another great destination with its breathtaking landscapes, adventure activities, and welcoming culture. The scenic fjords of Fiordland National Park, the geothermal wonders of Rotorua, and the stunning beaches of Abel Tasman National Park are just a few of the many natural wonders that make New Zealand a paradise for travelers. Costa Rica is another top destination, known for its lush rainforests, exotic wildlife, and beautiful beaches. From ziplining through the jungle to relaxing on the beach, there's no shortage of exciting experiences to be had in this incredible country. Here's a story about someone who traveled to Europe after age 50 and had the time of their life. They'd always wanted to see the art and architecture of Italy, but had put it off until later in life. When they finally made the trip, they were blown away by the beauty and history of the country. They even took a cooking class and learned how to make authentic Italian pasta. What struck us about their trip was the sense of joy and fulfillment they felt. They said that traveling had given them a new lease on life and reminded them that adventure is possible at any age. Their story is a testament to the power of travel to transform and inspire us. In recap, we've covered some of the top destinations for travelers over 50, from Portugal to Costa Rica. The key takeaway is that age is just a number, and with a little creativity and planning, anyone can continue to explore and enjoy new experiences. If you've got a favorite travel destination or experience, we'd love to hear about it. Please share your stories in the comments below. And if you're interested in more travel tips and inspiration, be sure to subscribe and watch our next video on travel tips for seniors. Thanks for joining us on this journey, and we'll see you in the next video.